Another episode of Dirt Bike Fever here. Just wanted to show you guys on a new product. Well, it's not that new, but I rate this as the SC1, otherwise known as SC1 meth, we call it. The stuff smells fantastic. It's awesome for the bikes, and basically it lets the mud slide off, makes them look good, and hides a lot of those scratches that you always see. So I'll just give you a quick rundown on it and what it looks like, and hopefully you agree. So you can see here's a fairly typical dirt bike. Well, not this particular one, but in terms of the plastics we are. So what we're really looking at is all this scratches and typical wear and tear from your boots. The scratches on the plastics, notice here on the stickers, it's all fairly bumped, scratched and abused, which is fairly typical, especially in the wet and the crap that you get. So we want to try and clean that up and get some of this scunge off there. That seems to be pretty much built in. So this is the good gear that I rate. It's basically just a silicone spray, and there's many other sort of variants on it too. It's not cheap, it's about 20 bucks a can, but it smells really good and it does a really good job of cleaning up the bike. So this is a good case in point right here. So I've got my can and we literally just spray it straight on. Now as you can see, zero effort. That's basically hidden a lot of those scratches and given away that white ugly patina you get for things, and makes it shine and sheen again. So we let that soak in there for a bit and then we just wipe it off effectively. Going right over. Especially on the blacks, as you can see, it really makes things pop up beautiful. You can put it on your grips, but I prefer not to. Here you can see what I mean. Everything's just been sprayed directly on there without touching a thing. It makes that sheen back again. The bikes look $1 million. So even though they're old girls, they actually present really well with a bit of this SC1 meth on there. Good gear, highly recommended. So you can see here I've just applied it to the sticker, just giving you an idea of how it sort of beads together like that. So all we do is just grab a rag and just give it a bit of a wipe, and that's pretty much the finish to it. She looks $1 million. So while it's not really a plastic rejuvenator as such, it cleans things up really well, and I think it's well worth using, especially when it takes the mud and things off. SC1 meth.